Build an editor. It's very simple, very proud of it. Listen, you want to build a story-based, an RPG game, a quest, a branching dialogue. This tool will help you so much. You can build a game like in 1-2 hours, maybe 1-2 days, not months. Everything is preloaded, 5,000 assets by CC Creative Commons license, used open source tools, BabylonJS, and this will help you to create easy a game. Easy. Let me tell you. First of all, it has many key bindings like create a scene, shift and nature. A new scene. If you want to add an object, you press O. Let's import a nature. Double click. The player is too big. On the inspector, you can scale it. Press Shift S and scale it 15 times bigger. And you see it's here. Very good. Let's say you want an NPC so you can interact. You go human, animated human. Move it a bit. Scale it down to 0.7. Let's make it NPC. You see it has idle and interact. It has here the animations, idle. And when you interact, you put like, let's say, working. I don't know, whatever. I created Voxel Script Pro. It's actually a language. I will do tutorials how you use that to describe what you want. I have some templates here. Let's say you want the Sphinx riddle. It has what the NPC will say. Very, very easy. This is the options that you will choose. The NPC gives you, and this is what it takes you. Actually, you can play it. And check this out. Physics already in place. You go near to the NPC and look at it. I have a riddle for you. It talks to you because you are near to him. You have the options you put on scripting language. You can branch it more. Fuck that. Create a new scene. House. You can put the interior house, scale it by 5, press the arrow keys to move it. It has already physics, zero mass and collider. For now, put the NPC, you choose it, move it a bit, and you can make it here not an enemy, a portal. Wait a minute, παρακαλώ. Let's create a new scene, parking lot, scale it 5. This portal will go to the park. Let's play it now. If I click in that portal, it will get me there. Look now, let's say in the park, I want to add an enemy, demon. Choose it, make him enemy, put him here a bit, scale it by 4, let's make him big. Look now, it will have 3 speed, attack range 1.5 meters away from us, detect range 15 meters away from us. You can add the animations, tidal, walking, and when he's attack, punch. Okay, if we play that, look. The demons follow us, and when he goes near to us, he will start punching. Let's put him a bit far. The NPCs and the enemies doesn't have physics. I mean, it doesn't fall, it doesn't collide. And look now, look, we play it again. Now it doesn't follow us, but when we go here, it starts following us. And when we go near, it will start attack. Very good. Also, let's say you want to make it a horror movie, right? You will add a fog, like a dark fog, with a density like this. Choose the ambient light to be a bit darker. Put some grain, like 150. Vignette, like 20 or let's say 30. Chromatic like 80, right? Not too much. I have also the anti-alias here, and I have a bloom also. When you press play, you have a horror move, and when you go near to the demon, look at it, follow you, and then it will start attacking you. Let's say you finish your game. Immediately you can publish it in Explore page, so other people can play it too. So you will have a tool to make a game easy, also to publish it, and also people to come and play it. Like in 1 hour you can make a cool game, share it, and your friends and family can play it. And who knows, maybe it will become a viral and we both become a millionaires.